semi just fucking parked here. What the fuck? Another one was moving the trailer, and now this fucking guy just fuck everything. Why? Where's it going? No, he fucking loaded up on the middle dock with the fucking new guy. He loaded on, yeah, he loaded on fucking 10 or some shit. No, I'm trying to get a fucking door because this bitch semi fucking parked and I can't get it 14. So I'm taking 12. Yeah, it's probably on the limit. Yeah, fuck this. Fucking shit. Oh my fucking word. The fucking semi fucking. No, I didn't do my pre-trip. Yeah, that's why you saw me leave. Well, I got off early because she told me fucking all the doors are closed, so I hurried up. And no, because all the doors were open. Well, anyway, so I hurried up, and she thought she's like, my mom said you're getting up at fucking 7:45. I said I hurried up. She's like, what do you do again? And I tell her. And she said, so you deliver stuff in the mailboxes? I said, no, I don't do that. Holy fucking shit. No, I'm in, but now I gotta get out there and check everything. Okay, I'll see you when you get here. Don't hit my truck. It's fucking, it's in 11. No.